Using C, we can create programs that accomplish small tasks using a microcontroller called an ESP32. The microcontroller comes with a number of capabilities, including all the peripherals you could ever want, security features, RF features, and wireless circuits for Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. So how do we use this microcontroller, and how can we start our journey as an embedded programmer? Let's start first with an ESP32, breadboard, jumper wires, resistors, and LEDs. Taking a look at the board, we have a USB connection, multiple ground pins, 5-volt power pin, two 3.3-volt power pins, an RGB light, a transmitter, as well as a receiver, a reset or reboot button, and all our GPIO pins. Now time to program. Say we want to create a program for time-ordered behavior that blinks an LED on and off. We first need to add the ESP-IDF libraries that allow us to use a RTOS or real-time operating system. These libraries allow us to use the respective GPIO pins. We want to start our program by defining the LED pin variable that's associated to one of our GPIO pins, in this case number 4. We then need to create a main function called appMain, and we need to enable pins for use. We can then initialize different pins for outputs in our circuit. Now, we're going to want an infinite loop. Thus, using for semicolon semicolon or while true, we can create that loop and begin coding our LED light behavior. We can set our pin 1 for high to turn the LED on, after which we delay our task for 250 milliseconds. We then set our pin to 0 or off and follow that line of code with another delay to give us our blinking LED behavior. Now that we have our code, we can build our circuit with a 220 ohm resistor to avoid a short circuit. This is connected to our ground pin. We then connect this side to our cathode and have this other wire going to our anode. We use our GPIO4 pin to manipulate the behavior of the LED from here. Now, if you go back to VS Code, you can select the View tab, then click Command Palette, and then open ESP-IDF Terminal. In this terminal, you can build and compile your code with the idf.py build command, after which you can flash and monitor your microcontroller, and voila, you just created your first microcontroller program. If you really want to get into the world of embedded systems, using C to program time-ordered behavior on an ESP32 is a great start. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you again soon.